Okay, Brendan, there'll be some cars around the circuit, not on the track itself, but ready to clean the track once all the cars are on the grid, so just to be aware, so it's effectively like a yellow flag situation.
Gentlemen, be ready for the WEC Season 4.
12:48 is the 5-minute board. At that point, the car is driver in.
Radio check? Yep, loud and clear, Ollie. Loud and clear.
Salutes them.
Okay, mate, so I just want to remind you how important each tyre is.
The clock has started. The 6-hour countdown to the checkered flag begins.
We've got a few more minutes. They need to sit there before we can begin to warm the engine.
Okay, engine up.
2, 1, green, 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 green.
Steady with the speed. Steady with the speed.
Okay, Timo, 15 to go. 15 to go. Let's keep pushing hard now. We're hard enough to do that. Get on here again.
2015 season starts right here. Audi versus Porsche, side by side. Spin!
Car in front is going 60,000.
Toyota's got around. Eau Rouge is magnificent.
The Toyota is 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Pace is good. You're putting a second to the Audis every lap.
Oh, Tandy's hit the other Porsche. Oh my goodness.
We need to push.
Yellow flags at the tail and radio.
Fantastic pass.
It was side to side bumper.
Ow, I bet that hurt.
Keep going, keep going.
Box this lap, full service.
Focus now, anything come up. Then we got to the 4-0. Bravo, thank you, good, keep going.
Side by side action.
Okay, right. The Porsche is behind us and has another stop as well.
Oh my goodness.
A big meander.
Just loses it. That's gonna hurt.
Ben, how is the tyre?
Actually, not too much. No, not track, please.
Burts has hit Tomas and they've both gone around. That's extraordinary. Sitting in the yellow.
Yeah, let me know the gap 334.
He's there and he gets it back again. The Porsche was on VMAX too early.
Lads, we need to survive, you need to survive.
The Toyota squeezes through.
I come 9 seconds behind.
Good job, mate. Good job. That's all you need. That's exactly all you need.
That is brilliant racing. Just
Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. All you boys did a fantastic job as well.
the end of 2015, but not the end of the story.